Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete this footer section in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete the footer section in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to sites.google.com. Then enter the website you want to delete the footer on. This is my website, and if I go back here, as you see, this is the footer. The first thing that you can do is that you can completely delete the footer section like this. Let me redo it. Select the footer and click on this delete section. The other option that I recommend you to go with is instead of deleting the footer, let's see. Yes, this is it. Let's go back to the home page. As you see, before clicking on edit footer, there is an option to show or hide the footer on exclusively on a page per page, and not on all websites. You can go with hide on this page. Let's update this change. Let's publish this change. View my site. And now on the home page, there is no footer. But if I visit another page, the footer shows up. Hide footer, show footer. This is, I think, this is for the website visitors, not you. Okay, let's see how to completely delete. And here, if you only want to show, or my bad, if you only want to hide the footer. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things, including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Okay, let's see how to completely delete. And here, if you only want to show, or my bad, if you only want to hide the footer, you need to go page per page and keep hiding the footer like this. If you want to completely delete the footer section, show it first. If it was hidden, click on, select the header section like this and click on this pin icon. As you see, it was deleted. Don't forget to publish this change. And let's view my website without a footer. As you see, no more footer. And if I visit the other pages, I think this one, it was just a cookie issue. When you refresh the page, it shows the latest update. Now, all my website pages will not show the footer section because it is completely deleted. External link, contact form page, as you see, no more footer section. And this is how to delete a footer section in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.